Welcome to Kids Channel.
Frookie sitting. Don't worry, Bartleby. When we're done at the Rainbow Castle, we'll go straight to Boing Boing Lagoon. Pa promise.
Pa promise. Oh, I can't wait! You and I at the bounciest place in the kingdom. Bouncy fun, here we come!
Greetings, True and Bartleby.
Hi, Your Majesty.
Forgive my haste, but I'm in a rush to get to the never-ending Chit-Chat Council.
The never-ending Chit-Chat Council? You mean the chit-chat never ends?
Oh, no. It's only for the day. It's just called that because it's held in the never-ending forest.
Oh, okay.
Polka dot pink. I almost forgot why I asked you here. Would you two mind castle sitting for me today?
No, what?
Really? You want us to castle sit for you?
Of course! I trust you, True. You'll have no trouble at all, especially taking care of my rare and exquisite flowerous magnificence. Admire its beauty, but best not to touch it.
No problem.
Bye for now. Off we go!
Bye, Your Majesty. Have fun.
Bye, Boing Boing Lagoon.
Aw, cheer up, Bee. I'm sure we'll have just as much fun here.
How? Castle floors aren't bouncy.
No, but they are slippery. And you know what you can do on slippery floors in your socks, right? Slide-a-thon!
I'll borrow the Rainbow Guard socks. Yeah, no, I won't. I'll just use my fur. Slide-a-thon!
Griselda, what are you doing here? The Rainbow King told me you were castle sitting, True. I would help, but I'm going to the never-ending chit-chat or whatever, too. It's all part of being a princess. So you wouldn't mind if I left my precious Frookiekins here with you while I'm gone?
Whoa. Leave Frookie here with us? But we were busy sliding.
Come on. It's okay. Frookie's sweet. I'm sure we won't have any trouble.
Yeah, no trouble at all. Whoa!
Great. Here's Frookie's favorite ball. Mwah! Smooches! Ta-ta! Come on, Bee. We can all play together. Fetch, Frookie! You're really good at this.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, Frookie! My super slide should win True back. Hey, True!
Woohoo! You two look thirsty after all that playing.
I'm fine, but Frook's all out of drool.
I'll get a bowl of water. Be right back.
Fine. Fetch.
Frookie, I got your water. Where's Frookie, Bee?
I don't know. Fetching. So, how about a quick slide before he comes back? Just you and me.
You're on. Whoa. Frookie? I wonder what Frook's doing in the greenhouse. We better check.
Ugh, so close.
No, Frookie, don't! Whoa!
Double Frookies? Triple Frookies? 1, 2, 3, 4 Frookies!
The flower's magnificus! Now we know why the king said not to touch it!
Come on, Bob, sit. Stay. Lie down. Do a headstand. Anything. Not fun.
Come on, Bee! Oh no! I got it!
frookies!
This castle is so big! How can I catch all the frookies if I can't even find them? I have to get some wish help, but I can't leave the 5 frookies alone.
I'll keep an eye on them while you're gone, True. Oh, hey, True, yo!
Cumulo! Quick trip today, Cumulo. Up to the wishing tree, please. Hi, Z.
True there, hello.
Huh?
Talking, am I? Ubu with.
Ubu?
Ubu is a backwards wish. You have to talk backwards to it.
Oh, Z. Hi. Help wish some need I.
Back up you go. Or is it go you up back? Come and sit down, True. How can I help?
Well, I meant to be castle sitting, but Griselda dropped off Frookie. And then the king's Flowerus Magnificus turned 1 Frookie into 5.
Oh boy. How can the wishing tree help?
I need some wishes to help me round up all the Frookies. Then turn them back into 1 again, before they wreck the Rainbow Castle.
The wishing tree has heard you, True. It's time to get your 3 wishes.
I'm ready. Wishing tree, please share your wonderful wishes with me. Please share your wonderful wishes with me. Please share your wonderful wishes with me. Wishing tree, share with me. Tiny wishes, 1, 2, 3. Wishing tree, please share with me. Magic power for you and me. Magic power in the wishing tree.
Very interesting wishes, True. I can tell you more about them. Let's check the Wishopedia. Your first wish? Ah, yes, Sizer. It can make you minuscule or gargantuan.
Gargantua what?
Minuscule means very small, and gargantuan means very big. With this wish, you must snap your fingers to get it to stop.
Gotcha. If this wish can make me really big, it'll be easier to catch all the Frookies at once.
Your next wish is Joiner. It can make several objects into one. Just make sure they're all close together, or it won't work.
That's good to know.
The last wish you have is Floato. Ooh, how exciting! It can make very big bubbles that you float around in.
A big floaty bubble maker? I can't think of how that will help me with the Frookies.
But you will think of a way, True. You always do.
Thanks, Z. And thank you, Wishing Tree, for sharing your wishes with me. Let's go, Wishes. Thanks, Z. See you later.
Bye!
So, how does that magic pollen work again? Abracadabra! Ugh. Presto changeo! It was worth a try.
I'm so happy to have you back, my little... Frookie! Oh no, not the greenhouse again. What do you mean, again?
Ugh. Oh, ow. How much crazy stuff can one plant do? Giant frookie kisses!
What happened to my puppy wall? Frookie's gonna break everything if I don't fix this problem fast.
Don't worry, True. I've got this. There. No more frookie getting in, no more plant problems. Big hero hug! Bring it in! Come on! True?
How do I catch a giant dog that's too big to catch? I make it smaller. Zip, zap, zoo, I choose you. Wake up, Sizer. Wish come true. Ready to make Frookie smaller? On your mark. Get set. Go! Okay, that's small enough, Sizer. Uh-oh. Z said I have to snap my fingers to get him to stop. Oh no, I can't do it. Bartleby, snap your fingers.
I don't have any.
I've got this. I'm very good at getting attention. Oh! Frookie! My Frookie went through the keyhole! We have to save my puppy! And now it's locked! I don't know where the key is. The greenhouse is locked, and I need to get inside. Looks like the only way is to follow Frookie through the keyhole. I know I'm asking you to do some extra work, but can you shrink us down? Thanks, Sizer. Come on, Bee. Bee? Whoa! Bartleby, where are you going?
Away.
What do you mean?
We were supposed to go to Boing Boing Lagoon and Sock Slide, but you've been spending so much time with your new best friend, Frookie.
But you're my best friend.
I am?
Of course. Frookie's my friend too. But just because I spend time with other friends doesn't mean I love you any less.
It doesn't?
No. You're my best friend in the whole world. And always will be.
Pa promise?
Pa promise.
Best day ever.
That's beautiful, but we have a puppy to save over here. Come on, Bartleby.
Slide of Dawn!
Okay, Sizer. Shrink us down, please. Thanks, Griselda. Yes, just hurry up.
Wow. It feels weird being small. How big would a fishy poof cracker be right now?
You can snack on some just as soon as we rescue. Frookie! We're coming, Frookie! Whee! Come on, Bartleby!
This'll be fine. Cats always land on their feet. Oh,
Are you okay?
I made it. I think. I mean, that's the important thing.
No, Bartleby. Frookie. Somebody's glad to see us.
It's okay, Frook. No need to be scared. We'll get you out of here.
Now, if we can just get big again, we can open the door and leave. What made Frookie big before?
It was one of those petals on the king's plant. I'll go get one. I mean, someone else will go get one.
It's okay, Bee. Let's just think this through. We need to touch one of the petals. And to get up there, we'll use my last wish. Floato!
Won't we just float away?
Yes, but I have an idea. If we run really fast, it'll roll. Then we can steer it over to the plant and touch the petal. That's it! Floato, let's do this! Zip, zap, zoo, I choose you! Wake up, Floato! Wish come true! Let's get ready for liftoff!
Whoa!
Wow!
This bubble floats fast!
Run towards the flower. We have to get to its petals. Keep running, keep running. We're almost there, guys.
Just...
Whoa! Yay! We did it. Thanks, Floato. Time to go back in the pack. Frookie buttons? Frookie snuggles? Frookie whoa! Oh, I'm happy to see you too, Frookiekins. Oh.
True. How was your day of castle sitting? Not too difficult, I hope.
Well, we have a lot of fun sock sliding, but we had a few accidents today, Your Highness. Oh, I'll say.
That's all right. Accidents happen to the best of us. Yes, everything seems to be in tip-top shape despite the accidents.
Oof, I'm glad to hear it.
Oh, I should check on my flowers magnificus. It didn't bloom yet, did it?
Your flower's the one thing we couldn't fix. We're very sorry.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my!
Huh?
Flabbergasting fuchsia! What luck!
Luck?
Accident or not, its petals fell off early. That means it's going to bloom sooner than I thought. Look! It's happening now! Isn't it spectacular? Nothing like the flower's magnificent bloom. Achoo! Achoo!
4 Rainbow Kings?
Don't worry, easily remedied. Gesundheit. See? Happens all the time.
All we had to do was say Gesundheit?
Now there was some talk of sock sliding, I believe.